In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the art of backtesting your trading strategies using TradingView's bar replay tool and other key methods. Backtesting is an essential part of developing a profitable trading strategy because it allows you to see how your system would have performed under historical market conditions, saving you the risk of losing real money prematurely. The first step in this process is to open your chart and select an appropriate time frame that aligns with your trading style. If you're into scalping, you'll want to use a 1 minute or 5 minute chart. For those of you who are day traders, the 15 minute or 1 hour charts work best. And if swing trading is more your pace, look towards the 4 hour or daily charts. Simply select the asset you want to test, whether that's stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or indices. Make sure there's enough historical data available to conduct a thorough analysis. Once your chart is ready, it's time to activate the bar replay tool on TradingView. This tool is instrumental as it allows you to scroll back in time and replicate live market conditions. To activate it, click on the replay button located on the top toolbar. Choose a point in the past where you'd like your test to start. The chart will then rewind and obscure future price action. By doing so, you create a real-time trading simulation and avoid hindsight bias, a common pitfall where decisions might be swayed by knowing the outcome in advance. Now, let's apply your trading strategy. Your strategy could be based on indicators like EMA crossovers, MACD signals, or RSI divergences. Alternatively, if you prefer price action trading, you might use support and resistance levels, candlestick patterns, or chart formations. Algorithmic traders might rely on specific rule-based trading systems, using technical indicators for entry and exit decisions. Next, enter the testing phase by pressing play or using the step forward button to advance the price action, one bar at a time. As trade setups emerge, meticulously log them in a trading journal or spreadsheet. Record crucial details such as the entry price, stop loss level, take profit target, and whether the trade resulted in a win or loss. You can easily track this data using tools like Google Sheets, Excel, or a Notion template. This comprehensive data collection will be vital for in-depth analysis later on. Once you've backtested at least 50 to 100 trades, it's time to dive into analyzing your results. Examine key metrics like the win rate to determine how many trades were profitable, and assess the risk to reward ratio to ensure your winners outweigh your losers. Check for drawdowns to understand the worst losing streak your system might face. Also evaluate whether your strategy performed better in trending or ranging markets. Backtesting is a crucial step for any serious trader because it allows you to gain confidence in your strategy, identify weaknesses, and make informed adjustments, and steer clear of trading systems that might not work before losing actual money. Always remember that while backtesting provides valuable insights, past performance is not a guarantee of future results. After completing backtesting, it's wise to forward test your strategy using a demo account before committing real capital.